Welcome to Medico Apps PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this pharma question. So it was a clinical question and it was asked in the year 2024. Now, these days, clinical questions, they are frequently asked in your NEET PG examination. And you should pay focus to each and every point which is given in the question so that you can just rule out the other options and you can mark the correct answer. Now, similarly, a clinical question from pharma was asked, and the question was: a patient has been undergoing antibiotic treatment for an upper respiratory tract infection for the past 2 weeks. Now, recently, they developed scrapable white patches in the mouth. Now, they're asking the best management approach for this condition. And the options given were: option A was cotrimoxazole, option B was clotrimazole, option C was mebendazole, and option D was albendazole. Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success. Now let me tell you what exactly has happened to this patient. This patient was taking antibiotics, so the normal microbial flora got altered in the oral cavity, or you can say the respiratory tract. Now, after that, what will happen? Since you all know that candidiasis is one of the most, you can say, opportunistic infection. Whenever your immunity goes down, it can flare. So, exactly what had happened? Oral candidiasis. I'll show you the related image. Now, in question, it was mentioned that it is scrapable. Now, two basic things which you need to consider whenever any white patch is given, either leukoplakia or candidiasis. If that is scrapable, that is your candidiasis. If it is non-scrapable, then it could be your leukoplakia, or it could be lichen planus, or you can say any other white lesion which you have read in your oral medicine. So this condition is oral candidiasis. The other name could be given as oral thrush. We're not going into the detail of candidiasis. I'll just tell you the treatment. So, since it's a fungal infection, you need to give antifungal drug. And out of 4 options, the one option which was antifungal was clotrimazole. So, clotrimazole is given to such patients. Now, why we are ruling out clotrimazole? Because this is antibiotic, right? Similarly, albendazole and mebendazole, they both are anti-helminthic or parasitic, you can say, right? And this is antifungal. I hope this is clear to you now, and the correct answer is clotrimazole. Thank you.